I'm going to be doing some boiled corn. You see how the water boiling away? I have 9 cups of water boiling away inside this pot. And this is the corn. I got this at Shoppers today and I got like 5 corn. I got it for $4.99. So that 5 pack. You see? And I'm going to show you this corn how it is like. This corn is fresh corn. You see how fresh and nice it is? And it have all the silk. Look at all the silk. That golden silk on the corn. You know, they have, it is said that, it is stated that the silk from the corn is good to make tea. And this is good to prevent people who have urinary tract infection and stuff like that. Right? And it's also an anti-inflammatory use. So don't throw away the silk of the corn. You could take it, wash it out, boil it, and make a nice cup of silk corn tea. Right? Prevent you from getting a UTI. So this is 5 corn here. And I'm going to take it over here and wash these corn out. Right? I'm not saving these today because I have another pack of corn. I probably will try out that corn tea. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this corn and take out all that silk. See? This is how it looks. It's young corn. You see how soft it is? Soft and nice. It's, when you put your hand on it, you can feel the depression. You can feel the softness in it. It's not a hard corn. So this is the type of corn you really would like to eat. So I'm going to stick this in this pot. That's 1. And as I said, I have 9 cups of water in there. You just break it off like this. No big mats in it. Take out all the silk. And we're going to be doing boiled corn today in Andrea's Trini kitchen. Alright, so the ingredients I'm going to be using for this boiled corn. You see how nice it's boiling? This is what I want. I want it to be boiling, and this should boil for about, let's say, 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes or less. Probably 25 minutes. I'm going to put in the salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. 1 small chopped onion. Guys, garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. You know, boiled corn brings, when you boil corn like this, you understand, you're getting all that flavor in that corn. You're not just going to boil the corn just plain. You add all these nice stuff to the corn. So 3 chopped garlic. And this here is some green onions. We call it chives in Trinidad. You must throw in culantro. Right? Wash it out. You chop up the culantro or shadow Beni, as we call it in Trinidad. 3 stalks. Drop it in the pot. Right? And what we call parsley or cilantro, we're going to also add this. You give it a little wash. And you chop this up also. So you have a variety of herbs and herbs in this pot. Brings out the flavor of the corn. And don't forget the thyme. Couple stalks of thyme. It all depends. I have about 5 stalks here. You rinse this out. Give it a little chop in the middle. Drop that just like that inside that pot. Right? And you must put in a pepper. Let the pepper steam down. Bring out all that flavor in the corn. Now, corn will not be corn in Trinidad if you don't add some coconut milk. You see, I have Cocoa King coconut milk. So, I'm going to put in some coconut milk. Alright? So, here I have 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 1/3 cup. I just want to be exact, of coconut milk. Add it to that pot. Now look at that. Look at that, how that looks. So what you're going to do, you're going to cover it a little bit and tilt the cover, because you don't want it to float up and boil up all over your stove. Right? Oh, it's smelling so good already. It's so heavenly. It's smelling like, you know, like when them Rastamen and them cooking the Yabba. They're smelling like Yabba. You understand? If for those who don't know what Yabba is, ask them Rastaman. They will tell you that is Yabba. So, you tilt it a little bit and let it boil for about 25 minutes and I'll be back. Alright, guys, I'm telling you, if you were in my kitchen today, you will savor the flavor and the taste of this nice boiled corn. But I'm sorry, you will have to try this. You'll have to try this recipe and tell me how it came out. Like my video, comment, share, and subscribe to my beautiful channel. So I'm gonna take the corn out because it's boiled, it's soft and nice, and it's been boiling for about how much? 25, almost 30 minutes. And this is how the corn looks. You see, all that seasoning, the thyme, the culantro, the onions, everything is entwined to bring out the flavor of this boiled corn. And it looks like pearls, you know, little pearls. Look at it. Each segmented area. It looks so perfect. So I'm going to put this on this tray to display it for you guys. Boiled corn coming from Andrea's Trini kitchen today. I want you to really try out this recipe and tell me how it came out. Let me see if I could get a pepper there. Ooh, Mr. Pepper playing hard to get. Pepper and thyme playing hard to get. So this is the end product of my boiled corn. I would like you again to share with your family and friends and try out this video. Try out this recipe. In fact, I'm saying video. Guys, thank you for looking. Thank you for viewing. And see you another time with another great video. This is the girl Andrea saying, be safe.